Over 50 live indoor meets this season. Here are some featured upcoming events. Whether it's key national meets or the best in regional action, Runnerspace has you covered. Sign up for Plus today at plus.runnerspace.com.
Action back inside the JDL Fast Track in Winston-Salem. As we go to the seated sections of the women's 800, Amy Weibrecht of Wake Forest on the high side there. They'll come together here shortly, and a lot of North Carolina blue in the race as well, as Reese Dalton comes to the line. They're racing at 2:03 pace in this first heat. And Dalton goes through the first 200 meters in 31:23. Allison DeLisi of North Carolina there, along with Catherine Vanderpool and Peyton Hollis. But it's the two from North Carolina, Dalton and DeLisi, who will lead this one at the halfway mark. Good solid running of 102.06 on the opening 2 laps. Delaney Vickers of Furman now moving up into third. Dalton of Wake Forest alongside her, running out in lane number 2. Lap and a half to go now for Dalton and DeLisi. As they will go to the bell lap, first and second, 32:28 on that last lap. Lights getting away from them just a little bit as they will try to close here in the last 100 meters. That is Kenza Elikari of Virginia Tech with a strong close, but it will be Reese Dalton taking the win as a sophomore. Clocks a 2:07.56 in Section 1.